Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what time it is. It's Fairy Garden Thursday. We do it every Thursday. You can come and join us once in a while or every week. We love seeing fairy gardens and we love seeing our awesome friends joining in. Even if you don't want to make a fairy garden and share it with us, feel free to come over and watch the videos and see what we have done. Please check out the playlist. Please give full watches if you can. Everyone makes different fairy gardens and have different ideas of how to do it. And we love seeing everyone's other gardens too. So please join in with us every Thursday. Any time is fine. We all understand we all have busy lives and work. So anytime on Thursday will be fine. And hope you enjoy seeing my co-hostesses also. And they do a wonderful job. Don't forget to use Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. This is an open collab. Anyone can join in, but don't forget the hashtag. That way we make sure we stay connected to all of you. And now, let's go check out my sweet co-hosts that join in every week, and then you'll get to see what I did this week in the fairy garden. And we did our little recap of our ocean scene today. Here is my awesome co-hostess for Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. She always joins in every Thursday if she can, and you know she does beautiful fairy gardens and does wonderful DIY projects to show you how you can put a fairy garden together so easy in your home or in your garden. She is so creative. Please go check her out. You're going to love her channel. As you can see, she has lots and lots of great content on her channel and lots of different things she shares every single. She'll share with you how you can make something beautiful in your home and garden if you love fairies. She is so creative and comes up with so many great ideas, and all on a budget. Go check her out. Now let's go check out my other co-hostess. Here's another one of my wonderful co-hostess, but she loves gardening and she also loves fairies. Go check her out if you like gardening or fairy gardens. She is wonderful and comes up with some beautiful creative ideas in her garden also, and shares how you can do all of it on a budget as always too. She's always coming up with something awesome on her channel and sharing with you her small summer harvest and what she's grown and how she does it. She's a great channel. Please go check out her fairy gardens too. She's done some great little fairy gardens all on a budget. She comes up with some cute ideas to inspire you to get in the garden and start making fairy gardens. And now, let's see what Grandma did this week. Today we're going to share with you a little beach scene from the garden. You know my fairies love the ocean, and they love sitting in their chairs, just relaxing by the ocean and all the wonderful waves coming up on them. Look at them sitting there in their chairs and looking at all the mermaids and sharks and sea turtles out there. Oh yes, they love to get the guitar and play a little music too. Thank you so much for stopping by for Fairy Garden Thursday. We always love having you here with us. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye.